Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Alma Jessup, and in this video I'm going to show you how to post an item to resell on eBay. Alright everybody, I hope you enjoyed that intro. The music was produced by my brother. Please check out his channel. The link to his channel is in the description. But for right now, we're going to go ahead and hop on my phone and I'm going to show you guys how to create a listing on eBay. So for this part of this video, if you don't have the eBay app, please download it. And if you don't have an eBay account, please get one. And yeah, for this part of the video, I'm gonna go through it. So if you go to the top left, you see those three bars, click on it, and there's gonna be a left column that shows up. Scroll down till you see selling. You're gonna tap on that, and then you're gonna tap on list an item. So for the item I'm gonna show you guys, or give you an example of, is a graphics card. If you don't know what that is, look it up. I don't really have time, but yeah. So I'm gonna resell a graphics card that I have, or give you an example of it. I'm not actually gonna list it. I'm just walking through the listing with you guys. But yeah, so this is what I have. It's an NVIDIA 3060 Ti Founders Edition. Alright, so there's other listings on eBay that are similar, that are what I'm trying to sell. So that first one is actually it. You know, there's other ones that are similar. You could press on almost any one of these, but I'm gonna press the first one, because that's what it is. I'm gonna tap used. I'm gonna continue with the listing, and so this is what shows up. We got photos, we got title, item specifics, category, description, pricing, delivery preferences, and sell it faster. And then if you want to donate to charity when it gets sold, you could do that too. All right, so for the photos, there is a stock one that shows up. You can use that, but I personally like to take pictures of the one I specifically have. It makes me more trustworthy. People like videos of the actual card itself. For the title looks great. When people look it up, they'll be able to find my listing. For the item specifics, before I go any further, when I clicked on that first listing that showed up, it had auto-filled everything. So that's what's so great about eBay. It makes the listing process pretty fast. So the item specifics are all filled in. It looks great to me. At the very bottom you see UPC. I will change that because the UPC is different on my graphics card. The category, it auto-filled it. It looks great. The description, here, we'll tap on that real quick. So it's basically the title, but if there's anything wrong with the card, any like marks on it, I will put it in the description. I'll try to give a very accurate description of the card that I have, so that when the people receive it, they won't be like, hey, this wasn't in the description, it's got marks or bangs all over it. No, I'm gonna put a very accurate description. All right, and so for pricing, this is really big when you're creating a listing on eBay. Here, I'm gonna go ahead and edit it. So on eBay, if you ever shopped on eBay, you know they have auctions. But for me personally, I don't like using the auction method, so I will switch it over to buy it now. And if you see that buy it now price, eBay autofilled it and put in $1,089. All right, so I bought this card at retail price for $400, and the value of it has gone up since it came out. And people are selling this card on eBay for $1,000. So if I were to resell the card that I have in my personal PC, I'll be able to double my money, which is awesome, or more than double it, which is pretty cool. All right, so I'm gonna tap on more options. I'm gonna go to offers, and I'm not gonna allow it. I really want to sell it at $1,089. That'd be awesome. People will make offers anyways when they message you. Quantity 1 and the scheduled start time, we won't worry about that. So we're down to the delivery. Ship in the US, yep. The package details, I tap I don't know, and then I'll show you why here in a bit. And then we're gonna press shipping service. I know if you go to the US Postal Service office, you can find free boxes to use. You can use their flat rate boxes if the item you're selling fits in there. I know that the item I have will fit in a medium, and so I will tap on that, and then the shipping cost, it'll autofill. And then I don't ship internationally, and local pickup, I don't want to do that. I don't want people to know where I live. So I'm going to go back now. That's all done. We're going to go to preferences. The payment method will be managed by eBay. It used to be PayPal, but I really like the managed payments. It's nice for me, in my opinion. The handling time, if you can get it out the same day, tap same business day. Item location, and the return policy. I don't accept any returns, but if it is damaged when the buyer receives it, obviously they can, create a case with eBay and say it's been damaged, and they'll return it, and then you'll have to refund the buyer. So yeah. And you can require immediate payment. I usually tap that to keep people from scamming me, so that helps big time. All right, and so for the sell it faster, this is how you're gonna promote it on eBay, or how eBay is gonna promote your listing. So if I tap it and turn it on, it's gonna show an ad rate of 2.8%. That's of the listing, and if it's sold, it will eBay will take a $30.49 out of the sale if it's sold, because I chose to promote it. And this is one of the fastest ways I sold items on eBay, was promoting it. I always kept in mind that when I bought an item, I would always think about how much I would need to spend on promoting the item. So yep, if you want to donate to charity, you could do that. But yeah, once you're done, go ahead and press preview item. You're gonna see what it looks like. So there it is. People can buy it, add it to the cart, they can watch it. You can press on item description. Usually that'll show up. You can see about this item, and yeah, you'll see the seller. You can see my rating there. But yeah, that is the walkthrough. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that walkthrough. I know with my last video, it was kind of a general overview of what I did to resell things on eBay. And if you stick with the reseller series on my channel, I will go over more in detail about how I did resell things or products on eBay. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. I do want to grow the channel. Please share the video if you can, and if not, stay tuned for the next video.